what happens after the program is over is that the beautiful thing about not only the guidebook, but the program, the way that I designed it is you can continuously do what's in this book for the rest of your life. And each time you do it, you're gonna find something new about yourself. You're gonna discover something that could be a blind spot for you. You're gonna find solutions to the problems that you're currently facing. That's what happens through this program is I teach you how to transform your life, and you don't need me. All you need is to apply the tools, the teachings, the lessons that are in this guidebook. Yes, you can always keep communication with me. Yes, you can always set up a session, but I set this up in a way that you don't need me because you now have you and clear tools, practices, and strategies to continuously transform your life for as long as you'd like.